Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I will show how to solve Instagram video call filter option not working problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to Google Play Store, open on Google Play Store, search Instagram app, update Instagram app if showing on Play Store or App Store. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, scroll down and find out Instagram app. Tap on Instagram, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Instagram video call filter option not working, problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.